So I'm going to show you how to install a new door, a new doorknob, a cat door down there, see the cat door, and splice in an electrical outlet for your cat litter. I don't know who the hell framed that doorway in there. This is a standard size door and it will not fit in that doorway, so I have to cut like ½ inch off of the top and the bottom of this door. It's crazy. Okay, we're gonna get this level. See a little screw hole right there? Put that in there. Now we're going to try it out and installing a socket into this fan. Putting a little socket in here so we can plug up our cat litter box. ½ volt still for whatever reason. There, with some double-sided tape. Okay, so we just ran the electrical outlet down here. If you want to know how to set one of these up, I have another video on that. But we just added power to the bathroom. Final step is to throw the cat litter box in here. Much better.